everybody, and welcome to our new channel. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Viktoria and Olivia, but you can call me Ollie.
And we are
VikiOli.
And our new channel is going to be about, we're going to be about fun. Like, what we're going to be doing is like slime tutorials, ASMR, DIY, reviews, and other fun stuff like that. But today we're going to start with a basic clear slime. And what we're going to need for our slime today is...
What we're going to need is Elmer's clear glue, baking soda, food coloring, contact solution, glitter, and obviously a bowl and a spoon.
So we're going to start with adding our Elmer's clear glue into our bowls. So Violet, you can start first.
Okay.
I already got mine ready.
What are we going to add next?
Violet, what do you want to add next? Our coloring or
Food
glitter?
coloring. I'm going in with a blue.
So I'm putting about maybe 1 drop. And if 1 drop is not okay, then maybe we can go in with 2.
I'm going to go in with 2. Yeah, just, oh, that looks so cute.
Ooh, that looks so pretty.
I'm going to be mixing mine in as well.
How do you make purple?
No one knows yet. Let's see one.
Of blue.
Look. Looks so cool.
Maybe I'm gonna add another drop of blue because it still looks, ooh, look at that. So I'm gonna maybe add another drop.
That looks like a magenta.
Maybe I'm gonna add another drop of blue to make it a little darker.
And I made a purple.
And I think I'll be good.
I made purple. Look at guys, I made a purple one. Even though you can still see some red in there. And I'll mix it. Okay, I am finished mixing.
Comment down below whose color came out better. Okay, then we're gonna go in with our glitter. So we went ahead and opened the glitters up so it's easier for us to get. So Violet, what glitters do you want?
I'm gonna do the black and the white one.
So here's the white one. Where's the black one right here? Yeah.
What colors do you want?
I'll use a black after you. And where is there silver?
No,
and silver.
Yes. Okay.
And yeah, I think that's good.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and add in our glitter. So I'm gonna start with my silver glitter. I'm going to use my silverware. So open it up maybe. And just
it's like
sealed.
Yes, sealed. So
I'm just gonna go in like this to make it easier. Wow, look at this. It looks so pretty.
I'm not adding a lot.
Looks super pretty. Looks super nice, guys.
Okay. That actually looks pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the white because I want to do it 2 colors at a time.
So pretty. So there's one fact about clear slime is that once you activate it, it's gonna get like really cloudy, and that's okay because it maybe takes about 1 or 2 days to maybe for it to uncloud.
Victoria,
that is pretty right with that.
watch. I told you I picked the right colors.
So I'm just
I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of silver. Please don't judge me if I add too much glitter.
So I like how mine is turning out. I'm gonna see what happens. That's really pretty. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blue since this is like the color of mine. A little bit of...
That looks better, huh, with the silver?
I'm just that much blue is good because I don't want it to take over.
That literally looks like a galaxy. Comment down below if that looks like a galaxy, literally.
So the next thing is we're going to add in our baking soda. So here it is for you. We went ahead and like separated it. So yeah. So we're just gonna add like a pinch, maybe.
Adding 2 pinches.
Oh, maybe I'll add 2 pinches too.
I think we're ready for the contact solution. Five years.
Wow, baby. You should add all of it.
You did.
Oh, I think it's getting thicker.
Oh yeah. Oh, mine is doing it already. Watch, look.
Maybe I should have added all of it, but
I already did, and I don't really care.
oh, it's working.
I told you. That's what I did, and then I'm gonna add some more.
Look, it's working, guys. Look at that.
That's a little bit too much.
You think? Oh, it's getting. Look at this.
We're not like Santa
Look at this.
professionals.
Whoa. It's getting thicker.
There you go.
Well,
I did something.
ah!
Oh yeah.
So once it starts sticking off the bowl, we're gonna start going in with our hands.
Oh, it's so sticky. Okay, just talk about something. So we went ahead and activated it, and this is the consistency we wanted.
So let me just.
And I'll be back.
Oh my god.
Take like about 2 or 3.
Ooh. What are you doing? Give me one.
Wow.
Let's do a close-up. Sorry about my bracelet. Just hitting the plate. Look at how clear it is already. Oh! Alright, let's make an Instagram swirl or a poop. Look how pretty it is, guys.
Logo.
Let's do a close-up on this. Look how pretty it is.
Instagram swirl.
Yeah.
Now crunch it. And here we go. Let's do a close up on this so you can see it much closer. And this is so clear. Can you guys see me? Now let's crunch. It's not that crunchy, but I love this slime.
Black sprinkles.
That crunch though.
Guys, so that's it for today. So make sure you like and subscribe and push the notification bell. But make sure to comment down below what we should do for next week's video. And if you have any ideas, I already said that.
Comment down below.
I already said that too.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I was so sorry.
And if you have any ideas, make sure to please comment them. And well, yeah.
Thanks for watching VikiOli.
Bye.